Well, if you've ever needed major medical treatment, you know how much it can cost. Tonight's unsung hero is Dr. Paul Harch, a man committed to making care affordable for as many people as possible.
You obviously won't remember this, but that was the second day.
When patients like Chad Rivera reach out to Dr. Paul Harch, it's because he's seen as their last medical hope for a better life. His Marrero facility is one of just a few in South Louisiana that uses a hyperbaric oxygen chamber to treat troubles such as chronic brain injuries. Chad's case was captured on tape in 1991.
Chad, can you hear me?
A car accident left him in a coma and he wasn't expected to emerge from it. Then he began the hyperbaric treatments, breathing oxygen, pressurized anywhere from 1.5 to 3 times the normal atmospheric pressure. Within 2 months he was up and walking. Today, Chad says he's a walking example. This treatment works.
I go to work every day, 5 days a week. I can go play tennis if I want to. I can go golfing if I want to. I can do anything.
He is one of the most gratifying patients that I've treated in 20 years.
What's remarkable about Dr. Harch is that he makes it affordable for patients. Treatments usually cost anywhere from $800 to $1,400 an hour. He takes the loss at his family center, offering it for $150 an hour.
Here's how it works. Once a patient is locked inside the hyperbaric chamber, pure oxygen is pumped inside. And once the oxygen makes it to the patient's blood, it helps speed up the repair process in the patient's damaged areas.
And it's able to reach areas of damaged tissue, brain in this case, that normally you can't reach otherwise.
The treatments last on average 40 minutes, at least 5 times a week.
Hi, Jacelyn, how are you?
7-year-old Jacelyn Mall is another success story. The now outgoing autistic child showed us how she used to get in for treatments.
Can you look at the light?
This was Jacelyn at age 3, no eye contact, very withdrawn and unable to walk.
From the first treatment, she made eye contact, which was the most wonderful thing because she had never done it before.
Within a month, she was walking. It's why patients call Dr. Harch a godsend. He says it's the success stories that make his work so gratifying.
The impact it has on these people's lives is just so moving that I can't help it. I'm committed to it.
And if you know someone who is an unsung hero you'd like to see featured here, let us know on our website, abc26.com, or you can call our news hotline at 260-2600. We'll be right back right after this.